When most people think about asset management, they picture engineering plan, budgets, or pipe replacement charts. But behind every asset decision lies a powerful human and social dimension, the needs and perspective of stakeholders. Every choice, whether it's repairing, upgrading, building new, or even retiring infrastructure, affects a diverse web of people and organizations. Who are the stakeholders? The stakeholders are anyone touched by asset decisions, directly or indirectly. In a water utility context, the list can be surprisingly broad. Customers, people who drink, bath, and rely on safe water 24 hours per 7 days. Executives and boards, guiding over all direction and accountable for results. Operational staff, employees who knows asset best and keep the system running. Regulators and government, setting rules and making sure they are followed. Suppliers and contractors, providing parts, services, or specialist expertise. Local community and environment, impacted by everything from treatment plant location to construction noise or even improved green spaces from infrastructure projects. In major projects, you might even include emergency responders, local businesses, or advocacy groups for the environment. Why involve stakeholders? Building trust and transparency. Open engagement prevents surprises and builds trust. For example, reporting on water utility or outage restoration timelines help maintain credibility with residents and regulators alike. Managing risk. Many operational risks stem from stakeholder dissatisfaction. Community backlash can delay even the best engineered projects. Early engagement can surface hidden concern, say traffic disruption from a new pipeline. Better decisions. Customers and field staff feedback often points to practical issues like regular low water pressure or noise complaints that technical reviews might miss. Align goals. Effective engagements help ensure asset decisions support what matters: public health, environmental protection, reliability, and long-term value. Engagement approaches, more than just a survey. Consultation, holding early listening sessions before plans are finalized, workshops or forums, co-designing solutions all together, especially valuable for controversial projects. Surveys, gathering broad input, tracking shifts in satisfaction, or surfacing new needs. Regular reporting, not just for the board, but also regulators, staff, and the public. Clarity keeps everyone on the same page. Partnerships, building a strong ongoing alliance, especially with contractors, local council, or NGOs. Imagine a water utility plans to build a new treatment plant near a residential area. If local residents aren't consulted, they may react with suspicion or anger, worried about odors, noise, or construction traffic. But if the utility runs town halls and genuinely listens, it can resolve fears and may even win enthusiastic supporters. Icon Water has, in past, turned opposition into partnerships through patient dialogue and visible respect for community feedback. Connected with SAMP and ISO 55000. A strong stakeholder engagement is a core part of strategic asset management planning. ISO 55001 also requires organizations to systematically identify, analyze, and manage stakeholder relationships, ensuring the systems stay truly fit for purpose. The challenges and how to respond. Balancing conflicting interests, like keeping service affordable for customers while fulfilling regulatory demands and environmental expectations. Managing expectations. When some stakeholders want everything now, but budgets and timelines are limited. The cost and effort required to organize genuine engagement, especially for large or continuous projects. A useful tool. The power interest matrix helps prioritize stakeholders. For example, high power, high interest, regulators and key customers. Engage closely and manage actively. High power and low interest, like certain government bodies. Keep satisfied, update as needed. Low power and high interest, like local communities and advocacy groups. Provides information, consult on key points. Low power and low interest. Keep informed and maintain a basic relationship. Stakeholders are in the soft side of asset management. They are core to long-term success. Genuine engagement increases trust, reduces risk, and results in decisions that stand the test of the time. Methods like workshops, transparent reporting, and strategic analysis tools turn engagement from a checkbox into a strategic powerhouse. Questions for you. In your recent project, which stakeholder group has had the greatest impact, positive or negative? Has a stakeholder ever delayed or altered the course of a project? How? Choose 3 ways you would strengthen stakeholder participation in your next major asset decisions. What would you do and why? Next up, our journey continues to sustainability in asset management, discovering how sustainable thinking informs both big investment plans and day-to-day maintenance choices. See you then.